Have you ever paused in the midst of your day to contemplate the unseen energies that surround us? It's an intriguing thought, isn't it? Now, imagine this scenario. What if at this very moment, I handed you my used clothes and requested you to put them on? Or perhaps I extended to you my toothbrush for you to use. It immediately feels personal and somewhat invasive, right? Well, just as there are certain personal items we'd never lend or accept, there are objects in the spiritual realm that carry potent energy. Today, we're delving deep into the esoteric and the mystical to unravel the mysteries of 5 objects that, under no circumstances, should you allow into your life. These are not just arbitrary restrictions, but cautionary tales backed by both spiritual wisdom and a logical perspective. So buckle up as we explore the intricate world of spiritual energies and unveil the secrets behind these seemingly ordinary objects. Greetings, spiritual seekers and curious minds. I'm your guide through the realms of the unseen, and today's exploration is a fascinating one. We often navigate our daily lives surrounded by objects without fully grasping the energies they may harbor. It's crucial to recognize that the spiritual world is not separate from our reality. It intertwines with our everyday existence in subtle but impactful ways. In this video, we're diving into the intriguing topic of objects carrying energies that can influence our spiritual well-being. As we embark on this journey, keep an open mind and consider the potential impact of the energies around you. What if the mirror you gaze into daily isn't just a reflective surface, but a gateway to dimensions beyond our understanding? What if the seemingly innocent salt in your kitchen cabinet has the power to absorb and transfer energies? These questions may seem unconventional, but they lead us to profound insights about the energies embedded in everyday objects. So grab a seat, relax, and let's unravel the mysteries of 5 objects that you should approach with caution in the spiritual realm. These are not just superstitions. They're timeless pieces of wisdom that bridge the gap between the seen and the unseen now. Let's dive into the first object that carries more than meets the eye: mirrors. Imagine standing before a mirror, a seemingly simple object that holds far more depth than meets the eye. Across ancient cultures, mirrors were revered as more than just tools for self-reflection. They were considered windows to the soul, capable of revealing our true essence. However, the intriguing aspect lies in the complex energy mirrors may carry. They are believed to act as gateways for spiritual energy, potentially connecting us to other dimensions beyond our immediate perception. The caution here is not against every mirror, but against those with unknown histories, especially those that have lingered in someone else's space for an extended period. Accepting a mirror without understanding its energetic past might expose you to unexpected vibes. So it prompts us to be discerning about the mirrors we introduce into our homes and encourages a thoughtful reconsideration before passing along older mirrors to others, an act that may inadvertently transfer spiritual imprints. 2. Salt. Now shift your focus to something as mundane as salt, an essential seasoning found in every kitchen. Beyond its culinary utility, salt possesses a unique attribute: the ability to absorb energy. Picture this. Someone dips their fingers into a bowl of salt and then extends it towards you. It's not merely about table manners or hygiene. It delves into a deeper layer of spiritual awareness. When touched by someone else, salt may carry their energetic vibes, whether positive or negative. The advice here is to politely decline when offered salt directly from someone else's hands. By reaching for the salt yourself, you ensure that the energy absorbed aligns with your own, preserving a harmonious environment within your personal space. This simple yet intentional act serves as a protective measure for your energetic well-being. 3. Used mattress. Consider the place where you spend a significant portion of your life, your mattress. Beyond being a passive platform for slumber, a mattress is likened to an energetic sponge, absorbing various energies over time. This includes not only the sweet dreams we long for, but also energies we might prefer to keep at a distance. Accepting a used mattress becomes a matter of reflection on the unseen energies it may harbor. Used mattresses are described as potential energetic vortexes, foreign to your personal energy, and capable of affecting the quality of your sleep. The caution is clear. Be mindful of the unseen energies you introduce into your sleep sanctuary. The suggestion is to opt for fresh mattresses, ensuring a clean slate for restful and undisturbed sleep. This advice intertwines practical considerations with spiritual awareness, emphasizing the importance of maintaining a positive energy flow in the spaces where we rest. 4. Old wallets/purses. Now shift your attention to an item we carry daily, our wallet or purse. Beyond its practical purpose of holding bills and coins, it's considered a vessel for invisible energy linked to our finances. Opening an old wallet might reveal forgotten receipts, vouchers, or credit cards, each carrying the financial energy of its previous owner. The cautionary note here is against inheriting someone else's financial baggage, knowingly or unknowingly. Used wallets are suggested to be approached with caution, as they may carry the energetic imprints of their previous owners. The recommendation is to play it safe, avoiding the acceptance of used wallets to prevent potential disruptions to one's financial vibes. This highlights the interconnectedness of physical objects with the energetic currents associated with one's financial well-being. 5. Padlocks. Finally, let's explore the unexpected spiritual significance of padlocks, those seemingly mundane objects we often associate with security. Picture this scenario. Someone hands you a padlock with your name on it, a seemingly innocent gesture. However, within the spiritual context, it's believed to be a direct intertwining with your fate. The cautionary advice is unequivocal. Never accept a padlock unless it remains sealed in its original packaging. This recommendation emphasizes the potential spiritual implications associated with accepting a used padlock. The reasoning is straightforward. A padlock, when personalized, is believed to influence one's destiny. It prompts individuals to consider purchasing their own padlocks if needed, avoiding potential spiritual complications. This seemingly ordinary object takes on a symbolic weight, reminding us of the intricate connections between everyday items and the subtle currents of spiritual energy that weave through our lives. If you found this information helpful, or if you have any experiences to share, drop a comment down below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more insightful content, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care of your energy and spiritual well-being. Stay mindful, stay protected, and I'll catch you in the next video.